Hi guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Ron and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. You can find us in Facebook and join our group by simply answering, the membership questions as well as subscribing to this channel for more video tutorials. So for today, I'm taking a qualification test on a particular hit app called Web Page User Experience Quality Rating. This is quite confusing. Uh, I tried to answer it, but I'm not receiving any feedback if I've gotten the answers correctly or not. But we need to take about 10 hit apps for us to qualify. So I do have a dual monitor right now, and I hope you can see both. So this is going to be the guidelines. I'm not going through all of this. It's 10 pages. It'll take a lot of time. But to start with, the hit app should look something like the window on the right below. The window on the left is the web page to be rated. I'm not sure why I see it, but I don't see it really. But we have to go ahead and click on it. Okay. So this is going to be the link. Let's pull that up. This side is blocked. I'm not sure why, but I'm not sure if I can skip this one. But let's try it. Let's just say something like none, minor, none. Submit it so we can move on. I really don't care if I pass it or not. But again, this is just an overview of this particular hit app. So the first question to answer is user experience issues, layout, image, videos, pop-ups. So the layout is quite, for me it's okay, but I would say that layout issues content could be better organized. It's organized, but somehow major pages badly organized. I would say this one as none. And the secondary question is ads related destructions or dominate. I don't see any ads, so there will be none. Offensive, illegal, harmful, none, and just click submit. Okay, so the next one appeared on my right window. So the website is Amazon.com. It's about John Wick and Keanu Reeves. So the web page seems to be okay. What about secondary content like ads, related destructions or dominate? I don't see any, so it'll be none. Offensive, illegal, harmful, none. So just click submit. The next one is www.cookingchops.com, and let's see how it goes. The layout, image, videos, pop ups. I think it's minor. Ads related, there's a lot here. I see there's a lot, so I would say that's serious and offensive, illegal, harmful, none. And what else? The next one, it's blocked again. Well, I don't want to proceed with this task right now, but this is just an overview on how you are supposed to work on the web page user experience quality rating for this particular hit app. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Maybe in the future you will encounter such hit app in your UHRS. You would have an idea on how to work on it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.